Cool. Alright. Doing pretty good. Oh, shush. Drive around the complex really quick.
This radio room is going crazy. Another star in the seat. Her, what's up?
Hey, how you doing?
Now, this is the thing, her.
Well, that was a car being towed.
A little bit.
A little bit. Beautiful woman, and the music is there. And congratulations on everything.
Thank you.
So what we got coming next? Talk to me.
So I'm on tour with Chris Brown right now. We're on the Heartbreak on a Full Moon tour. So I'll be coming to a city near you. I'm so excited. I'll see.